I'm sitting here, I haven't touched the dishwasher all day, and it's back into a cycle. It just turned off. And if I wait maybe a minute, it will turn on. There it is. And wait a little bit, it's going to turn on, but I haven't touched this all day long. It just seems like the same issue that we had before. And if I wait shortly, it will turn off. Yep. If I open the door here, we'll see what's happening up top. I believe the auto light will go on. Okay, come on. For the heck of it, I'm going to try the on-off switch. See, that's not allowing me to turn this off. Oh, it is. So that might have reset things. It might not have, but it shouldn't be doing that.